This video we are going to look at subtraction. Subtraction. If you look at the screen, you see a line, subtraction, or some teachers will call it minus. Minus. So in the last video, we saw how to go about addition. In the same light, let's see how we can apply those principles to subtraction. Bring life to mathematics. Math is a beautiful subject. So here we go. Minus or subtract. Good. So we will do this with examples so that the kids they see it clearly. We have birds. How many birds can you see here? One, two, three birds, right? Okay, look at the picture. What happens? Zoom. One bird goes away. Did you see that? Did you see that? So that operation, how do we write it? Three birds minus one bird. One bird just fell off. Equal two birds. So we see two birds remaining on the tree, right? Two parrots. So this operation, if we take away the birds and the bird, we can write 3 minus 2 or minus 1 or 1. One bird went away. We are left with 2. 3 minus 1 equal 2. So you can have 3 fingers, you take one off and you're left with 2. Some people they use their fingers. Some students are good at using their fingers to count. That is fine. Good. So I hope you get the idea. Zoom. Okay, next question, next activity. Look at how many apples do you have on the screen? How many apples? I can see 1, 2, right? All right, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 apples. 7 apples, right? So 7 apples. So we write the 7 here. We write 7 there. Let's see if we can write 7. Oh, which pen should I use? 7. Yes? 7. Now, minus, how many will go away? How many? 1, 2. Did you see that? 2. How many are left here? The ones that are left here, these ones. You write it here. You count and write it here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write here 5, right? So 7 minus what? How many of the apples fell off? We have 2 apples fell off. So this operation is 7 minus 2 equal 5. Okay, you see 5 apples left on the screen. Good. 7 minus 2 equal 5. Good job. All right, the next activity, let's see. Zoom. We have a plane. We have a plane. Can you see the plane? How many? 1, right? How many planes do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 planes. We have 8 planes. So we can conveniently write 8 here. Yes, 8. And now let's see what happens. How many will disappear? Look very well. Zoop. 1 has gone. So the number left, remember the number of planes left. We circle all, we count, and we write here. How many are there? 7. Yes? And how many went away? How many fell off? 1. So 8 minus 1 equals 7. You can use your fingers to count them. You can use your fingers to count them. Okay? Good. 8 minus 1 equal 7. Okay? Good job. Next, look at the balloons. How many balloons do we have? How many balloons do we have? Now, look at these balloons. Can you see the balloons? Can you count them? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balloons. So we write 1, 0. Now check how many will disappear. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them disappeared, so you write 4 here. And what is left? We count and we write here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. I hope you get the point. Right? 10 minus 4 equals 6. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Excellent. Next, look at given like this. How many pencils? Can you count? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So this is 7. 7. If we take away 2, 1, 2, we subtract 2. This 2. You see, the blue and the red are taken out. They are cut off. Cut off. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5. Good job. Good job. Good job. If you got it right. Good. Let's look at the next example. So look at these blocks. How many blocks do we have? How many blocks? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? They are the same sizes irrespective of how this one is positioned, right? So let's see what happens. 2 has gone. 5 has gone. How many went away? How many went away? 2 and 5 are missing, right? How many went away? So how do we write that equation? How do we write that expression? We had 5. Yes? Minus 2. Yes? Equal. How many are left? How many are left? You have to count all over again. Don't look at the numbers there. You have to count all over again. Don't look at these numbers. So if we count, what do we have? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 left. Did you get that correct? Good job. Good job. So as you see, 3 minus 2 equal 5. Oh, 5. See, 5 minus 2 equal 3. We had 2. This one fell off. This one fell off. 2 of them. Okay? Good. Next example. Next example. Okay. Critical thinking. Put on your thinking caps. Let's see. How many of shape B can we cut from shape A? If we have to cut shape A to the sizes of shape B, how many of shape B's are we going to get? Let's look at the shape B. This is shape A, and this is shape B. We want to remove shape B, shape B, shape B from shape A. How many do you think? Are we going? Guess. Guess how many? Is it 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 of shape B's from shape A? What is your guess? All right, let's check. Count with me. 1, 2. Can you guess now? Can you guess? Is it 2? Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it 5? Is it 6? Is it 7? 8? So what do you think? So we have 2 already. We have 2 here. We have 2. Let's see. 3. How many do you have? 3 or 6? 3 or 6? Or 4? How many? 4, 5, 6. Good job. Good job. If you had it correct, good job. Excellent. Good thinking. Good. You're a genius. So we have 6 B's will be equal to 1 A. Good. And that brings us to the end of this activity. So you can go now to your workbook, your textbook, and do the exercises there. I'm sure you will understand them better. So if you have any worries, if you have any addition problem, just look at them like a unique thing. If you have 2, just think of 2 of the same thing. If you have 5, just look at 5 of the same thing. Then you do the operation. Thank you very much for being part of the journey. See you in our next production. Bye-bye. Maths is beautiful.